Hi, and welcome back to another Crypto Robin episode. Today we'll talk about an Ethereum project that didn't make much of a splash but nonetheless managed to grow and attract more users over time. By the end of the video, we'll see if it managed to reach its market cap peak or if it still has room to grow. So don't leave anywhere, this is about to get really interesting. dYdX is a decentralized exchange that allows margin, perpetual, and spot trading, but also lending and borrowing on the Ethereum network. The project was launched with the goal of opening the door for complex financial instruments to traders, but in a decentralized manner. dYdX launched its first product in October 2018, which allowed the opening of long and short positions on Ethereum. Later, new features were added and an improved interface, reaching the point where it collaborated with Starkware to allow the moving of perpetuals on a layer 2. The rest of the functionalities, margin, spot, etc. will remain for now on the main layer. Partially moving to a layer 2 platform until Ethereum 2.0 is launched is a logical step as it offers users access to an environment with smaller fees. dYdX uses a lending and borrowing model similar to that used in Compound, where funds are borrowed via a smart contract and can be withdrawn at any minute. Users have access to ETH, DAI, and USDC. For margin trading, the ETH, DAI, ETH, USDC, and DAI, USDC are available with a leverage initial of up to 5 times. Thanks to a higher number of functioning products on the platform and access to the DeFi sphere on Ethereum, there is automatically a bigger number of users. This is especially true when the products are covering several types of trading, lending, and borrowing, the backbone of any DeFi ecosystem. These are, in my perspective, the main pros of the project, which has lately taken important steps towards solidifying its foundation. Aside from moving perpetuals trading on layer 2, dYdX also launched its own coin, which bears the same name, on September 8th. It was added to Binance Innovation Zone as soon as it was released. According to DeFi Llama, the project's TVL currently stands above $950 million. This is a good thing, but it's not reflected in the price of the token, which is experiencing a downtrend since October. There are several reasons for this. First of all, the dYdX token has a maximum supply of 1 billion with a circulating supply of 96 million. This was done in order to slowly make the transition of the protocol toward one governed by the community. Aside from this, the token is also used for fee discounts and liquidity mining. Since tokens are constantly released on the market, this plays a role in its downtrend. Adding to this is the fact that the token was launched in September when the market was doing very well, so the image becomes clearer. Since the token was launched in an optimistic market, it quickly grew to have a market cap of over $1 billion, making it slightly overvalued. As new tokens have reached the market due to inflation, the market cap fell somewhere around 500 million, which is a more accurate number for the project. This seems to be the bottom, so automatically this would also be the accumulation area. As more liquidity reaches out, it is possible we'll see a positive trend due to the fact that we have over half a year of accumulation for the market cap. It's obvious that dYdX followed the footsteps of Uniswap and Compound, not just economically, but regarding some functions as well. The team wants to use 7.5% of the supply for retroactive rewards, which will be airdropped to those on the platform based on the transaction volume. Since this model proved to be a success, well, why not? The team behind dYdX has plenty of experience, but it also benefits from the trust of some big investors and partners, which we can see in its trading volume. Among those investors are Polychain, Horowitz, A16, Dragonfly, and others. These things, combined with an excellent UI UX, a strong presence in a niche that is becoming more diversified and active with functioning products, and essentials for a growing financial market, this project has all the reasons to go on. Especially when talking about margin trading in a decentralized way, the project is only starting even when referring to its potential on Ethereum. If you liked our video today, don't forget to subscribe. Safe investments!